Photographers are great at a wedding. They corral the wedding party, they make sure everyone's posing properly, they find that perfect shot, and they end up owning the copyright in each and every image they capture. So here's your fun copyright tip of the day. If you just hired your photographer with a handshake deal, it's likely you don't own any of your wedding photos. Don't believe me? A few years ago, pop icon Bruno Mars was sued for posting a photo of him as a 4-year-old Elvis impersonator on his personal Instagram. The photo got well over 1 million likes. However, photographer Catherine McCann, who took the photo, brought a lawsuit against Bruno Mars asserting her copyright in the image. In other words, Bruno Mars got sued for posting a photo of his 4-year-old self. See, the moment a photo is taken, it's protected by copyright, and the copyright belongs to whoever took the photo, unless the photographer agrees otherwise. It's like my friend Larry from Groundhog Day said, photography takes a lot of creativity.
No, people just don't understand what is involved in this. This is an art form. You know, I think that most people just think that I hold a camera and point it at stuff. But there is a heck of a lot more to it than just that.
So it seems a little crazy when applied to your wedding, but the law is there to help photography develop as an industry. Think about it. It would be really hard for us to keep track if every person in a photo got controlling rights of the image. What about photo bombers? Or that picture of you and your ex? It sounds like it could be a bit of a sticky mess. If you're getting married soon and you're worried about copyright, don't panic. All you need to do is make sure that the agreement with your photographer specifies who gets what rights. Odds are, the photographer will want to retain some rights, like being able to use the images to promote their business. So be aware, there may be some back and forth. Anyway, that's your fun copyright tip of the day. I just thought you might want to know before a photo of you and that special someone ends up on the cover of an indie romance novel one day.